All right, we got our pillows at Ollie's. Got some food for the animals at Rural King. I think we got enough pillows back there. We should be good. Got 6 of them. And do some shooting, huh? Get these turkey broadheads figured out. And we got some Amish honey. Let's go. Today we're gonna be just on a sight-in with the 2 broadheads. Now we're shooting the Beast Decap system here. 65 grain. I think this thing's got like 9.5 inches of cut. We're gonna be shooting the Beast pull system. And we're gonna be shooting the Beast arrow with the new G5 Dirty Bird. We're gonna see which one is more accurate out of Logan's bow and my bow. I'm not reinventing the wheel here. We're just shooting them into pillows with a little bit of duct tape as our mark. And we have shot these arrows with field points, and they flew pretty good. They flew better out of my bow at 65 pounds with a 29-inch draw than they did out of Logan's bow, which is a 25-inch draw at 50 pounds, as far as just general arrow flight. But we're going to see how the broadheads fly today out of both bows. We'll let you know as we go here. All right, so up first is going to be the Beast Decap. Now this is coming out of a Matthews Lift X RS, 25-inch draw, 50 pounds. Looks like he's shooting a telephone pole.
Which one?
Shoot the one on the left. Ooh. All right, let's go check on that. Wasn't expecting the pillow to break like that. Possibly not a good result for the arrow there. See how tough these arrows are. Now he hit far left on that. All right, well, we're gonna try the Dirty Bird now. That's way too far left. All right, to give a little bit more information, we're shooting at 15 yards. Logan's bow is sighted in at 20 yards, which should equal magic. Now, we were pretty good up and down, but he was far left. And just to make sure it wasn't him, we're going to shoot it again. Maybe it was you.
I think I punched my trigger.
You did?
Yeah, I think I was excited. I was really excited to shoot these, so I think I punched my trigger.
I hope so. All right, well, that looked a lot better. All right, let's go up here and take a peek.
I was thinking maybe I punched my trigger, and I guess I did because I just took out.
Now, I would be willing to venture that that would be a dead gobbler.
A gobbler just gobbled.
Did he?
Back over there.
All right, let's try the Dirty Bird. Yeah, he's over on the other side of the road. All right, next we're gonna be shooting the G5 Dirty Bird, which you can see Logan is opening it, and that is the whole premise behind what's making this one a little bit different, and in my opinion, a little bit better than the Beast, because as you can see, those blades were stowed closed. You'll be able to fit that in a quiver. And then when you get out to your spot, you can just deploy the blades and you're ready to hunt. Where with the Beast, we're gonna have to transport that in a different case and then screw it on when we get to the woods. But let's see how it shoots here. Same thing, 15 yards, 20-yard pin out of Logan's bow. And left again. That last shot was a little too far left. Very similar to the Beast first shot. So we're gonna see if it's just Logan coming out here shooting cold or what, but we're gonna send it again. A little high, a little left. high, a little left. Nah, it's just right above. But we're gonna have to shoot it again. All right, now here's shot number 3 with the Dirty Bird. Pretty much the same spot. It's hitting a little high and a little left. That one's just mainly high, but a little left. So, I mean, we're obviously manipulating these systems here, running the Dirty Bird on the Beast arrow. But he is definitely hitting high and left consistently. Sorry about that. High and left consistently. I'm gonna have him shoot it 1 more time or 2 more times. We'll see if we keep getting that, and then we'll go back and start shooting the Beast again.
Shot.
4th shot with the Dirty Bird on the Beast arrow, which obviously if anybody's watching, they're probably thinking, well, that's not designed to shoot with that, but we were monkeying with it. We just want to see what happens. High left again. I think that is the general consensus. I don't think we have to shoot it again. It's going to be hitting high left. It's all 4 shots have been left and a little high out of Logan's bow.
Same spot every time.
Yeah. All right, well, let's shoot the Beast again. All right, so now Logan's gonna shoot the Beast now into the target on the right that he's been shooting that Dirty Bird on. And as you can see on this Beast, the way it's set on right now is it's actually forming an X. So we're gonna shoot it as an X and that target on the right. See that X there. Center punched it. Well, I think that makes the decision easy on which head you're gonna shoot.
Beautiful.
Pull it out, I bet you the tape's right on it. Yep.
It's not gonna come.
Start with the Beast. So as you can see, the Beast is in more of an X configuration as we're shooting it. So this is gonna be 15 yards. I'll have my bow set at 20. And we're gonna hope that the broadhead clears here. Got good clearance. Well, it looked like it hit high. Much better, much more heavy impact. Did it hit high and a little bit to the right? So hopefully it was just me being nervous, like Logan. Hopefully I pulled it. It's gonna be a little bit more difficult to get out here, I can see. So I'm gonna actually go, I'm not sure if it'll be exactly 15, but I'm gonna go to the around 15 yards and just try shooting this for the right yardage. 15 for 15 and see what happens. Now this is the Matthews Lift X in a 29-inch draw, 65 pounds. That one looked like it flew a little wild to the left. So that was with my moving that to 15. All right, well, we're gonna try the other broadhead and just see if there's any difference. So this is the Dirty Bird, and I'm hoping that this shoots better, but I know. I'm kind of pessimistic. We shall see here. All right, I'm gonna shoot the pillow on the right. Well, that one seemed to fly a lot better. I'm gonna say might have hit a little bit high, if anything. So I will shoot it again. But that seemed to fly a lot better out of my bow. All right, let's grab some more tape. Well, actually, we'll shoot that one. All right, I'm gonna shoot the target on the left.
What?
Darn it.
It like hit and flung out.
Yeah, I think it hit right above the black.
I mean, you cut the pillow. It went all the way through.
Oh, yeah.
Dang.
Probably messed it up.
Bent blade.
Yep, bent blade.
Still comes down. You can still use that.
Oh,
Maybe.
it fly good now.
Probably won't fly good.
All right, well, lesson learned. I'm shooting these pillows too many times. And it hit high. So, that's probably what? Quite a few shots out of that. We have shot this head 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times.
Yeah.
And it was fine until it went through. And when it went through, that was it. That was the end of it. All right. Back to the drawing board. We're going to go grab another head. All right, we got the beast back on here. Until I can go get another dirty bird from a bow shop. But I'm just going to shoot the beast at the target on the right, 15 yards. That one smoked it. That was the best shot out of my bow so far. Trying to figure this out. Looks like I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to do some more shots. Figure out which broadhead's shooting better. More consistent. Consistency is the key. Alright, you can quit filming. Alright, we're back. Got the beast on again. We're gonna go round 2 here with my bow. I'm not super thrilled about where I'm hitting. But mind you, this is completely untuned. This is just our tune on these bows for our normal hunting arrows. We're just throwing this beast decap on here. I got the beast on for this shot. We're gonna see where we're at, 15 yards.
What pillow?
We're gonna shoot the pillow on the left. Hit a little bit bit to the right. So now we're gonna just pull up. We got a new Dirty Bird. This one fresh out of the package. Same distance here. Same everything. Seems like the Dirty Bird shoots a little bit better out of my bow, which is going to be odd, but it's a lighter head. It's a 125 grain head compared to 165, and it's just flying better out of my bow, which is awesome because I want to be able to run and gun. So I would like to run and gun with my setup. And Logan will probably more likely be shooting out of a blind. So this will allow me, as we were showing earlier, close these down, put them up in a quiver, and get them out and go to work. All right, Logan's back up. He's gonna do another shot on the right target with the Dirty Bird. Bullseye. All right. Now he's gonna shoot again with the Beast on the left. Bullseye. There's definitely something to be said about these arrows flying better out of lower poundage bows. It's a trend I've noticed over time with these big guillotine heads. But that was a bullseye, punched that one in. And then this one, he also punched it in. So he is ready to go. 15 yards is where we're gonna be setting up decoys to get that bird in there. So we'll set him right at 15, and then as long as the bird's within, a yard in front or behind, he'll be money.
2 yards.
Probably 2 yards,
So I can shoot 17 flat.
Yep. 17, these arrows shoot pretty good out of his bow. All right, Logan's got the Dirty Bird back on. And he's going for the target on the right. Looks like he got it.
I'm warmed up now. I'm just sitting.
Yeah, you got another one. All right, so Logan's bow is shooting both of them. 20-yard pin. 20-yard pin is hitting
Almost dead center.
dead center, 15 yards, both heads. All right, back with the Dirty Bird, 15 yards, on the right. That was a bullseye.
I think he's going all the way through. Look. There's no way you bent the blades. Looks like a shish kebab.
Little cotton ball. All right. I guess it's gonna be the Dirty Bird. So we're putting everything away here, and now we got decisions to make on which broadhead we're gonna shoot for the opener. Out of my bow, I'm gonna be shooting the Beast arrow with the Dirty Bird. Logan's going to shoot that too if we end up running and gunning. But I think when he starts, we're going to start out in the blind on the youth opener, and he's going to be running the actual Beast Decap system. He's going to run the Beast head, the Beast arrow. They both shot really well, and mind you, we did not tune our bows for these arrows. These are literally our hunting bows tuned with our standard arrows for shooting. So I'm very impressed with the accuracy out of both of them. For whatever reason, the Beast arrow with the Dirty Bird flew better out of my Lift X, which is 29-inch draw at 65 pounds. Logan's bow actually shot both these heads better than I did, better than my bow did. And now his bow set at 50 pounds, and that's that Lift X RS. So something to be said about lower poundage in these big heads, definitely true. But very impressively, they shot well out of both our bows, good enough that I'm comfortable to hunt with them. So we'll see how that goes.